Here is a really quick review of these dishwasher cleaning tablets by Active. These tablets are designed to work with any dishwasher, and they are even safe for septic systems. So there are 24 tablets in this package. They're designed to be used twice a month. So this is a 1-year supply. These tablets are going to clean, deodorize, refresh your dishwasher and help protect it and the finishes on it. So in each box here, you're going to come with a tablet just like so, individually wrapped. You just take this tablet out, you're going to put it in the soap dispenser of your dishwasher. You're going to make sure your dishwasher is empty. You don't want to run this through with the dishes in it. So it's just going to run through empty on a normal cycle, and then once it's dry, you open the door and you just let that air dry, and that's going to help really just refreshen it and get rid of any of those odors that build up over time. Most dishwashers also have a filter somewhere in the bottom. If you can just kind of pull that out and hand clean it, rinse it in the sink, it just kind of usually collects a bunch of the food scraps and waste. And so if you can clean that out on your own, this dishwasher tablet's going to take care of the rest and cleaning out all those funky smells and anything like that, in order to make sure your dishwasher is extra clean to be able to clean those dishes for you.